Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today we're doing a new type of video. We're swatching some of your favorite palettes featured this month. First, we're going to do the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. Look at this. Trust me, we're gonna get a close-up so you can get right into those swatches. We're also gonna do the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. So beautiful. First, we're gonna go ahead and swatch the beautiful Essentials 2 palette from Violet Voss. Next, we're going to swatch the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoy this palette swatching video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and share this with your loved ones. And I'll see you later. Bye!